Hi guys, welcome to Tag My College. So in this video today I'll be telling you about top 10 engineering colleges names in Haryana. So in this video I'll be covering the state of Haryana in India. So let's just know more about Haryana. Haryana is one of the 29 states in India which is situated in your north. And the city of Chandigarh is its capital, while the NCR city of Faridabad is the most populous city of the state. Apart from that, it is bordered by Punjab and Himachal Pradesh to the north and by Rajasthan to the west and south. A large area of South Haryana is included in NCR, that is Gurgaon. So this was all about Haryana, that is the introduction to Haryana. Let's just move to our main topic, that is the list of the top engineering colleges named in Haryana. So here I have top 10 names in Haryana which comes under the engineering colleges. So we'll be talking about each one of them. The very first is National Institute of Technology, NIT. NIT is basically a public engineering institute which is located in Kurukshetra of Haryana. The fee for the course is 3,20,000 and the scores which are required in the eligibility are your JEE mains as well as the SAT. So if you are having your JEE mains and SAT score, any of the one, you can apply in this college, that is the National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra, Haryana. And yes, the candidates have to score 60% in their 10+2, that is the minimum criteria for the intake of the admission is 60%, that is a candidate. Apart from the score, he should have 60% in their 12. So that was about National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra. Moving ahead, at second I have YMCA, University of Science and Technology, which is also known as YMCA UST. Talking about YMCA UST, which is situated in Faridabad, and it's basically an autonomous, and the fee for the BTech courses is quite affordable, that is 1,10,100. And apart from that, it basically takes LET score, that is the LET is your lateral entry exam. For the admission, it takes LET scores. And apart from that, YMCA provides many scholarship on the basis of their marks, that is the merit cum means scholarships for the BTech students, and as well as the other parameters has been kept like performance, attendance. If your father's income is not more than 1 lakh per annum, then you definitely there's various kind of scholarship which is provided by Haryana government and as well as the YMCA University, which you can retain now. So these are the basically various kinds of scholarships provided by YMCA University of Science and Technology in Faridabad. So that was number second. Moving ahead, number third I have University Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is also known as UIET and is situated in Rohtak, affiliated by Maharishi Dayanand University. The cost fee is 2,61,170. That is, I'm talking about the general BTech fee. And if you are talking about the MTech, then you can go for 1,51,478 rupees. So that was like BTech and MTech courses fee in your University Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is at Rohtak. Apart from this, that entrance is basically on the basis of your JEE mains, that is, one should not miss your JEE mains. As I'm telling you again and again, JEE mains is your very important exam. You should not dare to miss it at any cost, because many of the, even the score is low or high, that doesn't matter. You should at least appear for the JEE main in order to get admission in any engineering colleges. Apart from that, it provides various kinds of scholarship for students. So that was number 3, University Institute of Engineering and Technology. Moving ahead, at number 4, I have College of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology. Talking about College of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology, it is situated in Hisar of Haryana. So BTech in Agriculture Engineering is being provided at very affordable price, that is 83,300. So that is the cost of BTech in Agriculture from College of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology, which is situated at Hisar, also known as CAET. That was number 4. Moving ahead, at number 5, I have University Institute of Engineering and Technology, that is UIET. So this institute is basically located at Pehowa and is affiliated to your Kurukshetra University, and you can see there are various kinds of BTech courses, like the fields are various, numerous fields are provided, and as well as apart from that, BTech and MTech is also provided. And the cost for the BTech course is 45,234, which is till now quite affordable. Like till now I have named 5 colleges, none of them is providing BTech at such an affordable price. So that is 45,234 thousand. And even the eligibility for this is basically minimum 50%. So even if you have scored 50 more than 50% in your 10 plus 2, then definitely you can apply for this college, that is University Institute of Engineering and Technology at Pewa. So that was number 5. Let's move to number 6, that is Deen Bandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology, which is also known as DCRUST. This is basically situated in Muthal, and it is an autonomous university which is providing your various kinds of courses in BTech, that is your various kinds of fields in your BTech, and the entire campus is spread in the area of 273 acres, having 7 hostels, out of which 4 hostels for boys and 3 of your girls. Now, campus of the Deen Bandhu Choturam University. Now the campus of the Deen Bandhu Choturam University is widely spread, that within a campus you can reach out cafeteria, hostel, library, labs, etc. at a very ease form. So basically the hostel is having right now 966 students in total. Apart from that, the university is having 2 foreign collaborations. It provides many foreign opportunities as well. So one is with the Tampa University of Technology, other is with the Ostfalen Lippe University. The fee for the BTech courses is 42,250, and you are in admission is basically given on the basis of JEE main score and the 10 plus 2 marks as well. So that was number 6, Deen Bandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology. Moving ahead, and I have National Dairy Research Institute at 7, that is NDRI. NDRI is a deemed university which is providing BTech in dairy technologies only. Fee for the BTech and dairy technology is 26,000 only. And several workshops and conferences and seminars and many other opportunities are provided to students. So basically you can showcase your talent with this platform provided by National Dairy Research Institute at Karnal. So that was number 7, NDRI. At number 8, I have Jan Nayak Chaudhary Devilal Memorial College of Engineering, which is also known as JCD COE College, which is affiliated by Maharishi Dayanand University. The fee cost for the BTech courses is 2,77,600, and the placements, the companies like Vodafone, Mahindra, Blue Star, Videocon, HP, HCL, L&T, Wipro and all other big names comes in the list of placements which is done by this College of Engineering. So that was 8, Jan Nayak Chaudhary Devilal Memorial College of Engineering. At 9, I have the Technological Institute of Textile and Sciences, that is TITS, which is affiliated by Maharishi Dayanand University, and the cost is 81,210 in all the branches. The eligibility for the engineering courses is basically 45% marks in your 10 plus 2 with the subjects your physics, chemistry and math, and a relaxation of 5% marks has been given to the SC category students. So if you lie in the SC category, definitely your criteria gets landed up to 40%. So even if you have messed up with your 12th score, so you need not have to worry about. Here you got a chance to get admitted in the Technological Institute of Textile and Engineering, which is located at Bhiwani. Apart from that, many kind of scholarships are being provided to the students as well, that is the meritorious scholarships. So that was number 9, that is the Technological Institute of Textile and Sciences. At number 10, I have Seth Jayaprakash Mukund Lal Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is also known as JMIET. Talking about JMIT, which is situated at Yamunanagar and has been affiliated to Kurukshetra University. Talking more about the campus, it is more salubrious and rural, basically pollution free and green and habitat, because it is located at the distance of 18 kilometers from the Yamunanagar and 28 kilometers from Kurukshetra city. The fee for the courses provided by the Seth Jayaprakash Mukund Lal Institute is 2,60,872. Companies like Microsoft, TCS, Centel, RBS, NIIT, Aeon Hewitt and such big name pick their future employees from Seth Jayaprakash Mukund Lal Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is JMIET. So that was number 10. So we have covered all the 10 names in the top engineering colleges in Haryana, that is National Institute of Technology, NIIT. Moving ahead, YMCA, further UIET, that is University Institute of Engineering and Technology. Then we have College of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology, University of University Institute of Engineering and Technology at Pehua, followed by Deenbandhu Choturam University at Mukthal, followed by National Dairy Research Institute, that is NDRI, at Karnal, then Jan Nayak Chaudhary Devilal Memorial College of Engineering at Sirsa, following by the Technological Institute of Textile and Sciences, and at last summing up by Seth Jayaprakash Mukund Lal Institute of Engineering and Technology at Yamunanagar. So these are the 10 names one should go for the top engineering colleges in Haryana. So that was all for the video. Thank you for watching the video, guys. To know more about our updates, please do not forget to subscribe us at Tag My College. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.